guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and I am back with another video today, y'all. This is a Shein haul, and it's going to be not that much of a huge haul. I did get some pieces. I've already opened the bag. I haven't seen any of the items in except for one. I actually bought a jogging set for Bay. It is a green, orange, and white, and I think a mustard jogger. And the only reason why I took that one out of the haul is because we're actually gonna take some engagement photos, and I kind of wanted that to be a bit of a surprise. I will probably upload it's not gonna be on this video. I'm gonna probably just do an engagement video, engagement photo shoot video, so you guys will see that outfit in that video that I have for us to wear. This one, like I said, the item did come in this bag as well. I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. I don't want to do a whole bunch of talking on this one. I am trying to keep this video at 15 minutes. I know I say that in all my videos, but I'm going to try to get that down to 15 minutes a day. I'm really, really working on that, y'all. So just please be patient with me. I got to put my lip gloss on, and I saw it the minute I got on camera. So just give me 1 second and get this all glossed up a little bit, because I hate having dry lips on video. So let me go ahead and get right into it. Like I said, it did come in this bag, pretty much a decent sized bag. I was kind of upset with Shein this time because the items were a little late. They were running a little late. So yeah, let me just, this was actually supposed to come I believe it was last Thursday, and I didn't get it until this Saturday. I don't know why. I think it's this time of the year where we're actually, today's October the 1st. Happy October 1st, everybody. Y'all, we are almost at the end of the year. This year just went by extremely fast, right? Yeah, it did go by kind of fast. Actually, September went by extremely fast. I will say that. It seemed like we were just getting into September, and now we're in October. So it is what it is. But yeah, so I'm going to pull out the biggest item I had in here first, which is this sweater. When I saw this sweater, I knew I absolutely had to get this sweater because I thought it was so cute. I love the colors. And let me just show you guys what it looks like. And it's like a crop sweater. It does look like the sleeves are a little short, so I'm just going to try it on right quick. I did get this in a size 1X, I believe, but I kind of liked it because it gives like that drop. It's like a drop shoulder type sweater. So hopefully it will go good with my outfits. Y'all, people never call me until I get on videos. But I will call them back because I'm trying to keep this very, very short. But again, that is the sweater. I love the color. These will definitely go good with some jeans, skirts. It will even go good with like a long maxi dress. So I'm looking forward to wearing that. Next item I have here. Let's see if I can get it out the bag. The next item I have is this green denim pants. Let's take it out. And I was kind of like hesitant towards this at first because I didn't know how much it would stretch, but it does look like it does stretch pretty good. Never had this color pant before, and it does have a little bit of a wide leg, which is definitely needed. I think I got this in a 1X, and I only bought this in actually I bought this in a 2X, so I know that this will fit. And it does stretch a lot, y'all. I'll probably end up wearing this week. Doesn't have a smell on it. I'm going to start talking about the smell in the videos too, because I have been doing some research, and I'm going to get into some of why fabrics have specific smells on it. I want to get into my videos more the health of clothing, the type of clothing that will fit your body, so I can make this a little bit more of a tutorial type haul. The hauls that I do, some of them anyway, not all of them, but for this one, definitely got in a 2X. Definitely love the color. It does stretch. It has a good amount of stretch to it. Pretty sure I'll be able to wear this. Even though I'm on a weight loss journey, I will definitely be able to wear this now. I'm going to find a cute shirt to wear tomorrow with it, probably to work or maybe sometime this week. And I'll probably show, I don't know if I'm going to have time to show the pictures at the end of this video, but in one of these videos, I'll definitely show you guys what it looks like. The next item is this dress right here. I thought this dress was super cute. It does give an old, I want to say modest vibe to it, mod vibe to it. It almost want to put me in the mind of like an old 70s dress. It has the collar. You can definitely see the material. These were some long, cute. I was going to get some brown boots, but I actually think these will look good with some off-white boots as well. The material, it definitely looks like it's that stretchy. They don't really have the material type on the actual clothing with Shein. I would definitely have to go on the website and see. Oh, wait a minute. We might have it on here. It's polyester. It's something else, y'all, too. Because this isn't just polyester. This is definitely something else. But I like this dress. This dress is cute. And I know this is a 1X. I know I'll definitely be able to wear this now. I'll probably give it a try. Y'all look at my arms. I know I said that on my videos, but I'll definitely give it a try today to see how it fit. But I want to get some long boots, at least to reach me up to my knees, to wear this. Not sure if this is something I wear at work yet. I have to see if I can find a cute jacket to go with it, and then we'll go from there. I'll let you guys know how that one fits. But it looks like it does have a nice amount of stretch to it. So we will definitely let you all know how that fits. And last but not least, I did tell you guys that this is an extremely small haul. And this video might be about 10 minutes, honestly. The last item is this cute maxi orange and pink dress. It's definitely long, y'all. This is a long dress, and it definitely has a nice amount of stretch to it. I can definitely see myself probably wearing this week. Look how this thing stretches. It has a huge amount of stretch to it. And from the reviews, I did notice that a lot of people who bought the dress, they did state that they had to size down. For me, I did purchase this, and I believe it was a 1X. Let me just double check. No, I actually bought this in a 2X. I probably could have sized down to a 1X because it definitely stretches a lot. But the flip side of it, when you do tend to get like your normal size for the items that stretch, it definitely leaves less of a see-through type vibe to it, because a lot of times when you get these items, if you do size down, they will have like, you can see through them because you're stretching the fabric more often. I'm sorry, bigger than you would normally stretch it. But those are the items, the two dresses, the jeans, the top, and as I stated, the two-piece jogging set that I have for Bay. I will try to post pictures at the end of this video. If I don't, I'll at least try to talk about the prices or post the prices or whatever. Maybe I'll just get like a I'll do something so you guys will see what it is. Shein's having another sale this time of the year. I don't know if they're just trying to get a lot of inventory out before Christmas, but these were actually 20% off. What I've noticed is if you keep your items, say for instance you have like $120 in your cart, once you go ahead and go to your checkout, get your discount code, at the end your items will be like $80, plus you'll get that the free shipping on it as well. So you definitely want to make sure you're clicking your coupons. As I stated in another video, you want to make sure if you use your iPad like me or use your phone to place orders, you want to make sure you're going to a laptop, because there is a price difference. I've noticed for some reason I don't know if it doesn't calculate well. I'm not sure. I kind of went back and forth with it. I was like, well, maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm seeing something that's not there. But I didn't notice like a $2 or $3 difference in prices. But the order came out to like $81, I believe. So I saved like $40 with everything. That's with the shipping, with the 20% off, and the total price. Like I said, they are slashing prices right now. So even once you see the original price, once it gets to, and I'm sorry if my camera's shaking a lot because I'm moving around on this desk. But once you get to your regular price, you get it to your shopping cart, those prices are slashed from the regular prices. And then once you get to your shopping cart, you have that additional 20% off if you're going over $100. Now, you want to make sure that you're actually going over. Don't put $80 worth of items in the cart and thinking that you're going to get a bigger discount than that. No, you have to be over 100. I actually believe it's like $120. I have to double check, but I'm almost certain it's 100. It's either between $115 and $120 where you start to see that 20% discount. But again, if you go on Shein, go on a website, if you go ahead and put those items, you can always take your items out the cart before proceeding to pay for it, so you can see exactly what the discount is. So definitely check that and make sure that you're getting everything as far as the discount is concerned. I think this was actually a pretty good haul. I only got clothing this time. If I had to rate, y'all know I like to do my little ratings, 1 through 10. I would probably give this a 9.5. And the only reason I'm gonna give it a 9.5, and I know y'all didn't see it, was because of the jogging pants set that I got for Bay. Normally I would get a size extra large. I did get a large for him, so that's partially my fault. But the only reason why I say that is because I kind of looked at some of the reviews, and a lot of people said that the size run bigger. I probably should have taken it word from, based it off of what I know that he wears, which would have been an extra large. He's very tall. One of the guys on the picture in the review, he was tall and he got a medium. So my fiance, he's a little bit bulky up at the top. He does slim down at the bottom, and he is tall. So for him, the jogging pant kind of raised up a little bit, which, to be honest with you, all he probably would need to do is just pull his pants down just a little bit. But he doesn't like wearing stuff like off of his waist line, and I think the jogging pants set was actually made like that for some reason. I don't know if it's to relate to the newer styles with men kind of wearing their jogging pants just off their butt, not sagging, but just like off their butt a little bit. He's older. He does not like to wear his clothing like that. So that's something Shein might want to look at into for those extra large sizes. I think you want to make it just a little bit more longer up at the top, so that you're not looking at those tight fitting clothes that raises up for men that are taller. A lot of the sizes I think they make for men is more Asian sizes. It's not really constructed for American men, because most, especially black men, they are like bulkier up at the top, and they tend to get smaller going down, and then their height too plays a big part in it. So I do know when you buy clothes, it's not customized online, y'all. You kind of trying to create a wide variety of size for a certain group of people. I get that, but at the same time, large is large. I went down that size because I wanted it to give a little bit of a slimmer fit, but I realized I probably made that mistake and should have just kept it at extra large. Most of our reviews, they were like medium and large, and I'm thanking God I didn't get a medium, because that was really my initial intent. I was like, okay, I did want it to be a little bit of a slender fit, like a little bit of tighter fit, because I did want him to be, the top to be a little bit more fitting. But I'm glad I made the choice to go with large. It does fit, but again, it's going to cause him to have to kind of pull his pants down just a little bit off of his waist. And he's not a big fan of that, but he'll definitely do it to take pictures. And it's probably something he will wear as well. Probably he has a way of like fixing his clothes up on him to look good for him. So with that being said, again, I think I did pretty well. And again, I would give this a 9.5. Happy October 1st. I hope you guys are getting everything in order for the holidays. It's getting towards the end of the year. I was thinking about just doing like a big Shein haul for all my family members for the holidays. Probably, probably like maybe the first or second week in October. I'm sorry, November, and it will be here by December. I think most of them are probably going to get clothing from me this year. The kids will get toys, obviously, one or two toys. So I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of money this year. I said this year I'm only spending no more than $500. Like I literally have a lot of things that I need to take care of. So you know, when you're starting, not even say starting, but when we have a business, a lot of times you have to put money into it to get it to where you need it to be. And that's where I am right now. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here because I do have some things that I need to take care of today. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that right now. It is free, you guys. All you have to do is just hit the button that says subscribe. Hit it right now. It's right. Boom, subscribe. There you go. Turn your notification bells on so you are aware when I do post new videos. Like the video if you like the video. Share it with your friend. Comment, good, bad, indifferent. If there's anything that you would like to see me review, any websites you would like to see me try out, I would definitely give you my honest review on it. Ordering, you know, smaller pieces, and then if it's something I like, I will order different pieces to kind of show you or give you guys more insight as to how the clothing is and how do I think it will fit. And the quality of clothing. Does it smell good? Is it something you want to invest your money in? Because we all know money is very, very, very important. Every dime that you have going out is important. It was important to me. It might not be important to other people, but it's important to me. So with all that being said, go ahead again, I said, and send me those emails if you want to see me check out a site. Definitely do that. Like the video, comment, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Share with your friends. I will see you guys in the next video. Always remember to be awesome, do awesome things, and you guys have an awesome Sunday, October the 1st, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you then. Bye.